So, we are given two right triangles here. We have one known side and two unknown sides. And we need to find the values of these two variables. So before we can get to these guys right here, we're going to need to figure out what the connecting side is. I've chosen to call the connecting side A. So to find A, we would need to use sine. So we use sine because A is the opposite of 25 and also the only given side length that we have is 24. So we would write it like this. Sine 25 degrees is equal to A over 24. Now, we could, for example, just say sine 25 and figure out what this is, but that's a little messy. So what we want to do is get A all by itself and isolate it. So what we're going to do is we're going to times this side by 24 and this side by 24 to get A by itself. So these two cancel each other out, and we're only left with A is equal to 24 sine 25 degrees. So what I'm going to do is get A to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to type this into my calculator. 24 sine 25 is equal to 10.14. So I'm going to just say A is equal to 10.1. So A is equal to 10.1. And I'm going to leave this on the side so it doesn't clog up my diagram. And A, our known variable, is opposite to the 62 degrees. So we're going to use tangent. So it would be tangent 62 degrees is equal to y over 10.1. So this is the exact same as getting A. We're going to need to times 10.1, multiply 10.1 to this side, and multiply 10.1 to this side. So these cancel each other out, as in the last one, and then we get 10.1 tangent 62 degrees is equal to y. So y would equal, in our calculator, 10.1 tangent 62 is equal to 18.9. So I'm going to leave it at 18.9. Y is approximately equal to 18.9. So y is equal to 18.9. This leaves us with one variable left to solve, which is x. So I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out x. So x squared is equal to 10.1 squared plus 18.9 squared. So x squared is equal to 57.2. So x squared is equal to 357.2 plus 102 is equal to 459.2. Now, to get each side equal, we're going to need to square root both sides to get rid of the square here. So that leaves us with x is equal to the square root of 459.2 is equal to 21.4. So x would be equal to 21.4. Now we know how to solve two right triangles.